Now we'll go ahead and we'll change its color. So now now here comes the very tricky part. Now either you can go and create a color from the color palette, but I want this color which is written in the Byju's because this is the brand color and I want this brand color to come in the banner. Here is the eyedropper tool. So it's a color picker tool, sorry. So this is a color picker tool. It's as simple as how you pick color in the physical environment. You click this color picker and see you will get this kind of a big dot here which will give you a preview of everything. And now see my cursor has changes to color picker. Now I will go ahead and select the purple color which is there in the Byju's. The moment I click here, my red color changes to the purple of Byju's. And nice, I really like this. I'll go ahead and create a banner out of it. Cool. And yeah, so for the banner, what is the copy, what is the heading, what is the title, what is the button? For that we have our requirement sheet. We'll go here, we'll say okay, unlock your child potential with BTC. I'll copy this, I'll come here and I will paste it here. Right now my text is here, my banner title is here, but it looks very small, it looks very bad because it is white in color, it is black in color. So first of all we will go and change its color. For the changing the color, you will see a fill section here which says 121212. The color is 12. We'll go ahead and change it to white. Yeah, white looks much better. I'm able to read it now. But now it looks very small, so we'll go ahead and change this font to 64. Yeah, this looks better. But again, the problem is all the text are in single words, which is very difficult to read, and also it takes very less space, and we have a lot of space. So we will go ahead and make bigger and align it with our grid. See, the grid is aligned. You can see the red line here, and this is aligned. Now we'll go ahead and see the font. Okay, font says Poppins. Poppins is a nice font. If you want to change the font, you can go ahead and change all your fonts from here. I really like the Poppins font, so we'll go ahead with that. And the font size is 64. Alignment is left aligned. Cool. Awesome. This is nice. We'll go ahead. We'll move forward, and we'll create a subtext. Right. It says only 5,000 for 1 month paid trial. I'll go and so what you can do, you can just make a copy of this particular text, select it, paste your subtext. Again, subtext is pasted, has the previous style from where it has been copied. So what we will do, we will just go ahead and make it white first, change the font to 24. Yeah, no, I want to make it much bigger, 32. Yeah, 32 is nice, but both of them look the same weight. So I'll change this semi bold to regular. Regular looks nice. The distance between both the font is 20. I want to make this 24. So just use the arrow keys and press 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yeah, you are now it's 24 pixels. This looks nice. And yeah, the font is Poppins, regular, color is F, alignment is left line. Awesome. This looks nice. Now I want to add a button to it. So how to make a button? Let's take a rectangle first. I'll go in the shape layer, rectangle, my cursor changes to plus. I will click and drag, and yeah, I got one 100 by 100 rectangle which is somewhere here. Before I do that, I want to align this rectangle, so I will select I want to align this with the text. I will select the text, select the box, and go here and click on the align left. Now it is aligned, and the space between the text and the button is 71. I want to make this 72. It's 71. With my arrow key, I will make it 72. Awesome. Now it should not be in square shape. So I want to make it 100 by, let's say, 360. So in the width section, I will go on the right hand side. If you see, the height says 100 and width is 100. So this width I will change to 360, and that becomes our button. Now the button looks very it's look very boxy. I want to make it a rounded rectangle. How will I make it? Right. So if you go and see here, here you will have a corner radius, right? The I will go and make the corner radius. The moment I make corner radius 24, it becomes a rounded rectangle. But I want more roundness. So you can do either from on the right hand panel from the corner radius, or you can just simply here select these radius and simply hold and drag. And that is so easy to do. I will just drag and that becomes my button. But the button color is really off. It's D9. I want to make it white. So I'll go ahead and add a white color. This looks really nice. Height, I want to change it to 120 so that it looks much bigger and people gets more attention once they come onto this side. And the radius I will change because height has been increased, so I have to make this more rounded. I change this radius. Let's see how it looks. Wait, let me just close the grid. Awesome. Yeah, this looks nice. But what will be our CTA or button text? For that, we'll go to our requirement, and here it says CTA button. Okay, so just write, because it's a learning platform, we'll just write enroll now. I'll go ahead and write enroll now. You will not be able to see it right now between color, so we will go ahead and change this color to black. Okay. Okay, it's below. So see, this is a very interesting problem that happened here. So now I have copied this text and I have made a copy here. I have changed this text to enroll now, but I'm not able to see it, right? Why I'm not able to see it? Because it is below this particular layer. It is this rectangle. Now you will get confused. Okay, I have written something and it's not here. To understand where your element is, and if you're not able to find it, now you will go to the left hand panel and you will see there you have your enroll now section. So to bring it up, just hold and scroll up, and your layer will come up. See, now I'll be able to see enroll now. There are different shortcuts also which you can use. The more shortcuts you use, it will be much faster for you to make the UI. Now I want to make this enroll now aligned with this button. So I will select the rectangle, I will select the text, and I will select both the elements. You can see on the layer panel that both of the elements are selected in now and the rectangle. Now I will go and I will make this align horizontal center. So it is aligned horizontally, but I also want to align vertically center. Then I click this. Now it is perfectly aligned. It is aligned horizontally and vertically. It is in the center of the button. Cool. Now I will click on this text and change this to semi-bold so that it clearly takes my. Also I want to change this black because black doesn't go clearly with this. I want to make it the background color. So I will take my color picker tool and I will go here, click on the background color, and my color changes to enroll now. Now I want to add some little shadow to this button. So you can do more stuff. You can add shadows, you can do other stuff, and we'll go ahead and we'll do it later. First, we will just create the banner itself. So you see here, you can see the grid. Now the banner looks very boring, right? There is no element of surprise. There is no graphics. So let's add some graphics, make it little interesting. I have this element here. I will select this. Command C will copy. and then we'll select this page, landing page, and I will press Control V, or if you're using Mac, it is, and it's pasting. Yeah, it's pasted. I will hold and drag it here. I will put it in my grid, and this looks awesome, right? So now you have the banner of your landing page. Yeah, someone asked me how to add a image. So for example, I'll create this rectangle. Okay, I want to add an image in this. In the fill section, if you click here, on the top right, you will see a solid. In solid, you can add a linear, radial, angular, diamond, image, and video, right? So linear, radial, angular, diamond is basically a type of adding a color. And then if you click on image, you will be able to add an image. So here, from here, you can just click on choose image, and from their desktop, you can just upload any of your image, right? So for now, I don't. So yeah, you can do that. It's quite straightforward, simple. So yeah, but it's hidden. I understood it's hidden, so it will be difficult to find that.